One location, or are you moving all around? Yeah, yeah. Where are you working now? Okay, well, that's close to home. Okay, okay. All right.
The Sovereigns.
92 for Ms. Cook. I'm standing in for Mr. Amadeo. Council director, Ms. Cook stands at my left. Ms. Cook, you introduce yourself.
Thank you. That's all right for you, with you if he stands in?
Yeah.
Okay. Council, did you have a chance to go over the report and recommendation?
Yes, Your Honor, we don't have any additional correction conditions.
Okay.
Yes, I we would just ask that the court follow the recommendation.
Okay. Ms. Cook, anything you want to add? You don't have to. I just want to give you a chance.
No, just that I'm and continue and also already part of a volunteer organization.
Good. Good.
And that needs to be provided to go on the deal.
What's the volunteer organization?
It is on the Humane Society of Grand Valley.
Yep.
Animal shelter.
Yep. Yep. Okay. All right. So you saw the recommendation. I'm gonna order some community service. You can do it there or any other nonprofit, as long as it's registered with the IRS. Official letterhead from the nonprofit that shows you've done X number of hours, and those X's total 40. All right. Anything else? All right. Before you took the, when you did the pre-sentence investigation, part of what you did was the adverse childhood experiences survey.
Sure.
Have you ever heard of that before?
I mean, I completed it. I didn't know if that was
Yeah.
what it's called.
I'm gonna tell you for your own benefit, do a deep dive into ACEs. That's what they call those ACEs, adverse childhood events. It's all about childhood trauma and how the trauma can affect your life forever. You scored a 6. That's fairly high. I'm going to suggest you do a deep dive into the research and what it shows, and I think you're going to come up with a better understanding of how you do, why you do what you do. Okay?
I think that's my therapist, my psychiatrist.
I can guarantee they're well aware of ACEs. Okay? All right. So I'm going to go along with the recommendation, no probation. We're just going to do fines and costs in the 40 hours. Total on the fines and costs is $1,300. Before you leave the building, I either want you to pay it or have a plan in place to get it paid. Questions?
No questions at all. Thank you.
You're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh, the community service has to be completed by November 1.
Oh,
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a great day, people. Council, what do you got?
You are Mr. Delecta.
Last name is? Delecta. Come on up. First name Todd.
Oh.
Good morning, gentlemen.
I'm hearing Mr. Delecta.
And did you fellas have a chance to look at the report and recommendation?
We have that, Mr. Honor.
Any corrections?
No, just request for a slight modification.
Tell me.
Sure. Your Honor, I have known Mr. Delecta for many, many years. He works as an iron worker. He's worked as an iron worker for 25 years.
Okay.
3 children, 19 is his youngest. He is married. From my personal knowledge of him, he is a very much a solid individual. He's a trustworthy individual. He does understand that, well, the screw up basically.
Yeah.
And he understands the gravity of it. But what we are requesting is because of his work schedule, he does work a lot. If the court will consider waiving the community service provision in that recommendation.
What's your work schedule?
6 days a week.
Yeah, and what I'll do is I'll let him, just so you know, work program is an alternative to jail. All right. I've had very few people choose that option. But what I'll do is I'll give you a third option, which is community service hours. The charity work that I just talked to the lady about in front of you gives you a lot more flexibility. The work program requires you to pick 4 days and then show up the day you're scheduled. The community service gives you the option of just getting it all hooked up, and you can do an hour here, 2 hours there. You get rained out on a job, you can go show up and do some hours. So I'll give you that option. So instead of the 4 days, I'm going to order 32 hours community service. And as I told the lady in front of you, that's any nonprofit registered with the IRS. Let's see. Get that done between now and September 1. Doable?
We'll take, but I'll make it work.
I'll tell you what, if you come to me and want more time and you've done none of it, I'm going to tell you no. If you come to us and say, look, I'm not going to get the last 10 hours done in the next week, so can I have some more time? We'll work with you. All right. So just don't put it off till last minute. All right. Other than that, I'm going to adopt in full the recommendations of the probation department. You're on probation for 9 months. Those recommendations that you went over with counsel, those are now all court ordered. Fines of cost, $1,300. Same thing I told the lady in front of you. Go downstairs and either pay it or make a plan to get it paid. Any questions? Good luck to you. Counsel, always a pleasure.
Thank you, Your Honor.
The Sovereign Citizen.